Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Start a call. First, you need to start a phone call or FaceTime call. Voice isolation only appears while you are actively on a call. Step 2. Open Control Center. Once the call is connected, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. If you have a home button, swipe up from the bottom instead. Step 3. Tap on Mic Mode. In the top right corner of Control Center, you'll see an option that says Mic Mode. Tap on that. Step 4. Select Voice Isolation. Now you'll see 2 or 3 mic options. Tap on Voice Isolation to enable it. This setting helps your iPhone filter out background noise and focus on your voice. Step 5. That's it. You can now close Control Center and continue your call. Your voice should sound much clearer to the other person. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you